Hey, Marko here. I just wanted to bring to you a little video, just a walk around of my 56 Pontiac project. So this is the 56 Pontiac that I'm building a Gasser style hot rod out of it, and it's going to need some extensive body work, floors, and some work on the quarters and rockers. But I did some chassis work so far, and I'll show you the interior, the lack of it. So what I got going on here is a 55 Chevy frame, which is the same as a Pontiac. Started out with bare chassis, which I can cut to photographs. Got a GM 12-bolt Chevy truck rear end with the long arm trailing suspension out of a 69 Chevy truck. The cross member is an aftermarket piece. I can't remember the manufacturer, but I built the brackets that hold it in, so it's adjustable if I want to change power plants down the road. Right now it's set up with a 2-speed power glide and a Chevy LS 4.8 liter. As you can see, I have to do the entire floor in this car, and that'll be purchased as a one-piece unit and installed, and we will do updates and maybe how that's done. Okay. Dash. Other than that, it's pretty good. Come around to some of the work that was done in the front end. Built that out of 2x4 steel tubing, 1/8-inch wall with a cap on the front of it. It was a piece of round pipe that I cut. I got pictures of that. The front axle is a 1954 Chevy truck axle. The engine is an LS 4.8 liter. Did some custom fabrication on the alternator brackets, and this engine will be carbureted and dressed to look old, like a 50s engine. Fender well headers have to be finished. Still some pieces to put in. Unfortunately, I had to leave this car outside for a year. So it's had some surface rust on all the shiny metal work that I've done, but that'll clean up, get blasted, painted. Got the old school steelies that I wanted for the front. So I had some aluminum drag lights on the front before, Pro Stars. Weld racing wheels, actually. It's not bad. And just wanted to give you a tour around this car. Is the back end. And down the driver's side. So this axle in the back is 6-lug. And may get some 5-lug axles, or just keep it 6-lug for now. See how it goes. And that's it. Have a good day. Thanks.